diameters of fetal skull. So in fetal skull, two types of diameter are present: anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter and transverse diameter. Anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter is 6th and transverse diameter is 4. So first one we can see the anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter, that are 6 in numbers. So first one is the anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter. In this category 6 diameters are present. So we can see here, first one is the suboccipitobregmatic diameter. So in anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter 6 diameters are present: suboccipitobregmatic, suboccipitofrontal, occipitofrontal, mentovertical, submentovertical and the submentobregmatic. So these 6 diameters are present in the anterior posterior or longitudinal diameter. So first we can see the suboccipitobregmatic diameter. Its diameter is 9.5 centimeter. Means suboccipitobregmatic diameter is 9.5 centimeter and measures from below the occipital protuberance to the center of the anterior fontanelle or bregma. And its attitude is head is complete flexed and presentation is in vertex. So suboccipitobregmatic diameter is 9.5 centimeter and its presentation is vertex. Attitude head is complete complete flexion. Next one is the suboccipitofrontal diameter. So suboccipitofrontal diameter is 10.5 centimeter and measured from below the occipital protuberance to the center of the frontal suture, and attitude in complete flexion and presentation is vertex. So remember that one thing, in every diameter of the fetal skull you have to remember that its diameter counting, just like suboccipitobregmatic diameter is 9.5 centimeter and suboccipitofrontal diameter 10.5 centimeter. Next one is the occipitofrontal diameter. Occipitofrontal diameter 11.5 centimeter. Diameter extended from the prominent point of midfrontal bone to the most prominent point of occipital bone and vertex is deflexed. Next one is the mentovertical. Mentovertical diameter is 13.5 centimeter and it's measured from the point of the chin to the highest point of the vertex, and attitude is head and presentation is brow. In mentovertical diameter presentation is in brow. Next is the submentovertical. So submentovertical diameter is 11.5 centimeter and it's measured from the point where the chin joins the neck to the highest point of the vertex, and attitude is head in complete extend and presentation is face. Next is the submentobregmatic. Submentobregmatic diameter 9.5 centimeter and it's measured from the point where the chin joins the neck to the center of the bregma, and attitude is head completely extend and presentation is in face. So these are the 6 diameter, that is the longitudinal or anterior posterior diameter. Suboccipitobregmatic diameter, that is 9.5 centimeter. Suboccipitofrontal diameter, that is 10.5 centimeter. Occipitofrontal diameter, that is 11.5 centimeter, and fourth is mentovertical, that is 13.5 centimeter, and submentovertical, that is 11.5 centimeter, and last one is the submentobregmatic diameter, that is 9.5 centimeter. So these are the 6 diameter, that is longitudinal diameter of the fetal skull. Next is the transverse diameter. That one is the longitudinal diameter, and now next one is the transverse diameter. In transverse diameter, first one is the biparietal diameter. So biparietal diameter is 9.5 centimeter and it's between the two parietal eminence. Biparietal diameter present between the two parietal eminence and its diameter is 9.5 centimeter. Next one is the subparietal diameter. Subparietal diameter is 9 centimeter and above the parietal eminence to below the opposite eminence. Next is the bitemporal diameter, that is 8.2 centimeter, and the last one is the bimastoid diameter, that is 7.5 centimeter, and between the tip of the mastoid process. So these four are the transverse diameter of the fetal skull: biparietal diameter, subparietal diameter, bitemporal diameter, and bimastoid diameter. And these are the presentation of the fetal skull. These are the abnormal presentation of the fetal skulls. Only vertex presentation is the normal. Fetal skull is normal, and these are the face, brow, breech, and shoulder presentation of the fetal skull.